I'm Allan from AJB Furniture and Joinery. Thought I'd give you a quick walkthrough of my latest kitchen. Quite a simple design, quite a modern design, but quite a lot of thought has gone into making this a nice usable space. It's also a dining room, so it needed to be more of a piece of furniture than just the more traditional kitchen. The main feature being these wall units, oak effect doors that the grain continues across the whole run, on bifold mechanism, integrated extractor, with a little trim detail to work as a finger pull, but also integrates a LED strip light as an added little feature. All the rest of the doors are hand sprayed J profile, sprayed within my workshop with a matching carcass colour, as near as I could get it to the colour of the doors. Corian fabricated worktop with integrated undermount sink with integrated drainage grooves. Quite a dark colour Corian, so instead of tiles, gone for an Alusplash splashback in quite a bold colour as a contrast. All the doors, all the drawers are on soft close runners and hinges with integrated larder unit, also on soft close, to make the most of the storage. That's about it. I hope you like it.